Adding students to your course is going to be one of the most important things you're going to do while setting up your Canvas course. One thing to keep in mind is that while I've sent you out a list of all of the student Google accounts, it does not break them up by grade level. So unfortunately what that means for you is you're going to have to break them down into your own classes and making sure that you find each one of your students. How I recommend doing that is creating an Excel sheet for each of your class periods so that you can copy and paste their email addresses when it comes to that time. So to show you actually how to add these students into Canvas, what you're going to do is go over to People. And when you select People, it's going to bring you to this. This will show you that you have the role as teacher in the course, and you can see my amount of activity in this course. But then what you're also going to be able to do is add people. So if you go ahead and add people, you'll see that it gives you the option to do this. Now when it says example student and then their name and email, what this is doing, this is allowing you to create their first and last name in your course. If students create an account and change their first and last name, it means that you don't have to go in and put all their names. So it's just dependent upon if you want to do that for them or just instruct them to build their profile correctly the first time they open it. So all I'm going to do is I am going to add my first student. So I'm going to use Tucker Purdy at student.pinecrestnv.org, and that's his email. So making sure that his role is student and making sure he's in my sandbox course because that's where I want him to be. I'm going to click next, and it says that he's validating and ready to use. Click add users, and he's been added to my course. Now please note that when we were talking about this before, if you do not publish your course, the invite does not send. So make sure in your home page here, see how my course is unpublished. If I want to publish it, I simply have to click publish. And what that'll do is that'll send all the invites out to students. And that will be going to their Outlook, which I will show you how to access shortly.